Here is how to withdraw the money you have in your Memefi wallet. Click on this withdraw button. Okay, that's going to bring you to this place. So we need to paste a wallet address here. So go to the exchange you want to send this money to, or the wallet you want to send this money to, and get the address. For me, I want to send it to the Bybit exchange. Here on Bybit, I'm going to click on deposit because I want to send some crypto in here. Then I'm going to scroll to this right here, deposit crypto, click on that. Now up here, I'm going to search for Ethereum. You can see it here. I already searched it before, so I'm going to click on it. So when this shows, go to this linear. Can you see that last one there? Click on it, because that's the network you're going to be sending this over. Okay, so we are going to copy this address, copy that, and we're going back to Memefi. Back here on Memefi, I'm going to paste that address here. So paste the address, and how much do you want to withdraw? Do you want to withdraw all of them? Click on max if you want to withdraw all of them, and click on the withdraw button. Don't forget, this is going to be the withdrawal fees. Okay, so click on withdraw, and the following is going to display. This is what you're doing here, so click on confirm. Now the transaction is processing. Your transaction is being processed. The withdrawal might take up to a few hours depending on network activity. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on back to wallet. So you can see my money is no longer here, and the ETH obviously is no longer here because it has been withdrawn. So all I just need to do is to go back to my Bybit and keep checking to see when it would reflect. After about 5 minutes, it arrived Bybit. So go to the assets section to check yours, okay, and then go to the funding section. You are gonna see it here. So let's say you want to use it for buying some of our stuff. Maybe you want to buy a ton. Okay, so you would have to click on transfer. Okay, so you would have to move it from the funding wallet where it is to your unified account. Okay, so I'm going to click on max. Notice ETH is already selected. Let's say another crypto is here, say BTC. You would have to click on this. Okay, you would have to click on that little arrow rather. Okay, and that will show you all of this. So you would have to search for ETH. It's already here, so you select it like that, and then you click on max. Okay, so now you click on the confirm button down here. We are moving it to the unified trading account, and the reason is so we can sell it. Okay, after doing that, you can see the money is no longer here, it is now here. Okay, so go to the spot section. So once you're here, click on this. I already have ETH USDT, but say you have another pair here, so just click on that and use this search bar to look for ETH. Okay, so let's say I search for ETH. You can see different pairs are displayed, so I'm going to select this one, ETH USDT. So that's going to bring me to this page. Okay, notice that this button is selected. Okay, let's say you have it on the buy button, you would have to switch it to the sell. Okay, and then notice here says market. Let's say it was this. Let's say it was this. Okay, let's say it looked like this. So you would have to click on this to select market. You get what I mean? So sell button selected, market selected. Slide this to the quantity you want to sell. So once you do that, the quantity of ETH you've got available is going to be displayed here. So the next thing would be to just sell your ETH for USDT. Okay, so I am going to click on the sell button, and this displays click on sell ETH. Now the transaction is successful. Can you see it up there? So I have done that. If I go back to my asset section and click on this unified trading, you can see that I now have about 2.57 USDT. Okay, so I can go back to the spot section now, click on that spot, and again I want to buy ton. Okay, let's say you want to buy ton, just click on that pair again, then select this first pair, ton USDT. So this time I want to buy, not sell, so select this button, and again as usual here must be market, then slide this to the quantity you want to sell. I want to sell all of them, so that goes to that point. What am I going to do now? I'm going to click on the buy button, click on buy. This page displays, click on buy ton. Now I have successfully bought ton. Go to your assets and go to unified. You can see that we now have ton here, okay, which is worth about $257 US. So what you can do from here is to withdraw this ton to any place you want to withdraw it to. So let's say I want to withdraw it to Ton Keeper so I can buy Telegram stars. All I need to do is to click on this transfer section. Okay, I want to move the money to my funding wallet now, so click on this to switch their positions, and let's have that switched. Okay, so now I am moving it from unified to funding. I'm gonna select ton by clicking on that little arrow that brings me here. So select ton, the first one up there, and now I'm gonna click on max, click on confirm. So that is going to transfer my assets to the funding account. Okay, so I've got about $2.56 worth of ton. What I can do now is go to my Ton Keeper. Okay, so but before I go to my Ton Keeper, let me click on withdraw. So what assets do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw ton. Click on that, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to display. All I need to do now is to paste the address I want to withdraw this ton to. Okay, so here is the wallet I want to withdraw it to. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on receive, click on that. I'm going to click on copy. Now I'm gonna go back to Bybit. Back here on Bybit, I'm gonna paste that address. Okay, I'm gonna paste it here. I'm going to select network. The network, of course, is supposed to be ton, so click on this right here, ton. Okay, and click on max, and that's it. Just click on withdraw. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my withdrawal fee is about 0.1 ton, so click on withdraw. So notice what happens. I am being told that my withdrawal amount is lower than the required minimum. Okay, the withdrawal is not working, it's not happening. So you would need to top up your ton before you can withdraw to anywhere you want to withdraw it to. So this is it for this video. If you've got questions, let me hear in the comments. Let's go.